Now we're going to use Fiji to open a file, adjust the contrast and brightness on that file, and then save that as a JPEG. So we have Fiji open here at the top of the window. That's the Fiji menuing window, and if we left click on the file menu, we can select the open option and we can open the cryo-EM image. Then if we go to the menu system, this time it's the image menu that we're going to left click on, and if we move down to the adjust sub menu, it's the top option, brightness and contrast. Here we're going to use the auto option to maximize the brightness and the contrast. Means it's a lot brighter now when we do that. If we apply, then that's been saved, and we can close, save to the image. And then if we left click on the file menu again, we can go to save as JPEG, and we could just save it as that with the JPEG option, but I think it's always good to put in the file name some information about how that might be different. So now we've saved that file, we can close down the image window in Fiji